I mean, the oil pan is black, but damn, that thing was black like a motherfucker. What is going on, guys? It's your boy Cool Matata, and here I am back in my uncle's garage. But today, right now, this is different parts, different days. So today we are gonna do the oil change in this bad boy, because believe it or not, I haven't done it since I bought it. Like what, a month ago, right? A month ago, right? A month ago, right? I bought this car.
Yeah.
I haven't done it. Yeah, don't blame me. I just haven't used it much. But it has oil, but I don't know how bad is it. I know it's black. So. But today we have the goodies here. We have an oil pan. We have the filter. And we have the super good, super tech conventional 5W30. I'll let your boy. So you can see I bought the cheap ass oil because I don't know the history of the oil changes of this car. Judging by the other maintenance that was done beautifully on this car, I'm guessing they never did one. So, yeah, I'm just gonna drain it. I'm gonna use this oil for like 1 month. I'm gonna let it soak into the valves and all that stuff, clean it up, and then I'm gonna do a synthetic one, which is the one that's supposed to be used on this high mileage car. By the way, because it's thinner, saves more gas, it's better for the engine. Okay, so it's very simple to do an oil change on the G35. You can see this is the, good Lord. I forgot I have my glove on this hand. Damn it. So, this is the oil cap, oil thingy. This is the oil drain right here, and this is your filter. Pretty straightforward. You can see it has some oil there. I don't know if it's because of that. So the thing might be failing, the seal. So is that, and right here, and this is the oil pan. That's it, presto. Oops, 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 oops. What the is it? Ow, ow. Oh my God. So, don't do what I did and not take out the drain plug from the oil pan. Right here, I'm like, wait a minute, that thing is filling up too quick. I forgot to take out the little thing to seal it right here. And look at the mess that I made. Look at it. This is like total noobness. Total noobness right here. Another thought, that oil was black as shit. I mean, the oil pan is black, but damn. That thing was black like a motherfucker. Okay, we are about to take out, we are trying to take out the oil filter, but we have a case of stupid a-holeness. Check it out. So I brought in, I couldn't do it by hand, so I brought in the Husky. So I'm trying to do it like that. Holy moly, that gun was tight. That's what he said. Okay, so this is what you don't want to do, kids. You don't want to tighten this oil filter too much, because if you actually tighten it too much, the seal won't work as well and you will leak. So this is designed not to be tightened so much because it has a seal. Also, the bolt to take this out, that's a 14mm, and this is a hand millimeter. Okay, hand millimeter, 14mm. Also, what you want to do is you take the drain plug right here and you clean it out with a microfiber towel, just because sometimes debris gets into the grooves and you don't want that there. So just clean it out, just pass it a few times, clean it out real nice before you put it on. So it looks like it stopped draining. So what you do is you take a cloth, clean it out, try to get in there with your finger. Not too much though, just to make sure that you get all that you need. You clean out the seal, the corners right here, just clean it out with the oil. Okay, so before you put the oil filter on, what you want to do is take the new oil filter, S667. Just compare the numbers. Oh, this is the, the actual box. You want to compare the size, see if they look alike, or see if they are the same type. For the most part, it seems like it is. Okay. This one says Bosch 3300, but this is another brand, so it will have another number there. So what you want to do is, before you put that in, to the side, you take your oil, oil, I'm gonna put a little bit. What you want to do, you want to take the new oil, put a little bit in the tap, and you're gonna want to dip it, your finger in it, just pass it through the seal of the new one, so it makes a better seal for when you put it back on. You don't want to put that dry, and also it helps not stick to the metal. So the next time that you're gonna do an oil change, it will come right off, assuming that you don't over tighten it. And make sure not to get the body, because you're gonna want to have grip when you put that back. Some people actually fill the oil filter with oil and then put it on, but I don't do that. Just because I let it run and let everything get filled up. So it's basically like a different way of doing things. It's not really right or wrong. So when you are done, it will look something like this, nice and clean. Yeah, so now let's put the oil back on. So now the next step is just to locate the oil entrance here. You're gonna want to have a oil drain thingy, but I don't have one since I left at home. Okay, so when you are done with everything, you put everything back together, you have cleaned your hand, you look all professional, you throw it like this, you look good. And now the last step is to get the oil back into the bottle and take it to your local auto parts store. Most likely they will take it for free and you can dispose of it properly. Do not throw it in your drain, because that's not cool. It kills who knows what. They say, I don't know. Now, 5 quarts in the infiniti. The drain bolt is a 14mm and the filter is a 100mm. So after that, that's it. That's all you need to do. Usually you just turn it on and check for leaks, but I'm gonna do some more work to the car, so I'm gonna leave it like that. That's it. You are done. You'll save yourself at least $100 or just money, because some of them fake mechanics don't even change your oil when you go into it. So Just keep that in mind. This is pretty easy. You can do it yourself. If I could do it, a caveman could do it. The last step is to grab your towel and do this and make sure that you look professional. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now you have brand new oil into your new Infiniti G35. Let's go running, baby.